In this video, we are going to see an amazing use case of Nano Banana, and that is transforming an old woman to a younger one like she's in her 20s. So you can use this image that I downloaded from pixels.com. You will find this in the resources section of this video, and the command is very simple. But as my Gemini limit has reached for the day, what I'll do is I'll just use lmarena.ai. Like I said, that it has unlimited credits that you can use. So let's click on the battle, or you can use the direct chat as well. You can also use side by side, whatever you like, but I like this one. Just make sure that you choose generate images from the bottom, click on upload image, and here is our image. And I'll just say, make her look young in her 20s. Just write the simplest command possible and you will still get the best results. And look at this, guys. This one is not nice, but the first image, it has kept the same posture, same style. And now let's compare this one side by side. So this one is the original image and it has transformed it into this picture. As you can see, the details, the style, the posture, everything is same. And when I tried this in Gemini, it has generated these results. So as you can see that if we check this posture of this woman looking down, she's the same woman who's looking up. So the features are kept intact, and look at the clarity of this photo and how natural it looks. It has perfectly converted or transformed this older woman into a younger self. So this is another beautiful use case of Nano Banana. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.